Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Chime. Alright, let's begin. First, open the PrizePicks website or app. If you're using the app, navigate to the menu in the top left corner. For browser users, click on your name in the top right corner. Select Request Withdrawal from the options. You can only use a withdrawal method that you've previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. Once you've chosen your withdrawal method, in this case Chime, enter the amount you want to withdraw. After submitting your request, you'll receive a one-time password code via email to confirm the transaction. No further action is needed on your part after this step. You'll receive an email confirming whether your withdrawal was successful or not. The funds should then appear in your Chime account within the timeframe specified by PrizePicks. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from PrizePicks to Chime. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.